Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video we are going to walk alpacas. Yes, we are going to walk alpacas in the woods. We are going to drive to this alpaca farm where they can, I bet, explain us something about alpacas, about llamas, and then we are going to take about 2 hours walk with them. So I bet this is gonna be really fun and very cool video. So I want to take you with us. I want to show you how is it, if you wanna maybe also do it sometime, so you have some, idea. I also got here this belt for my GoPro. So I want to try. The funny thing was actually I was making some jokes that all my friends are getting these straps to carry children and I am getting these straps to carrying my cameras. Yeah, I will show you how it works, because then you can go and do some extreme sports, I think. Like, now I can go and jump from the plane, maybe. I'm not gonna do that definitely, but it is like you put the camera there on it, and we should have some nice walking footage to show you. So let's go. So we have arrived. We are literally in the woods. There is nothing around, and I already saw a few alpacas, so let's have a look. Yeah, they are over there. I was literally so excited for this. Here we are arriving to the farm and we can see already lots of alpacas. Look at this, so cute. They had about 60 alpacas, which is a lot. They were separated on the males and females. So here on the left side are males and right side are females. The females were a little bit smaller, so at first we thought that's maybe alpacas babies, but that was the females. Look how cute they are. Before we left on the walk, we were told lots of stuff about alpacas. It was very interesting. We were told how we should walk them and what to do in some situations, and then we just started to walk. Each of us got own alpaca to walk with, and we went totally alone without a guide. Each of them had, of course, a name. We went on the tour, which took us about 2 hours. It was about 5 kilometers. The alpacas are pretty slow, so it was just, nice slow walk to enjoy the company of the cute alpacas. What was very interesting is that we supposed to go in the line, and some of the alpacas in the group, they are leaders, so these alpacas goes always first. So the one in the front there, that was the leader, and this one goes in our group first and the other alpacas follows her. So that was very interesting to me. Did you know that alpacas are actually related to llamas? Yep, they are both part of the South American camelid family, but unlike llamas, alpacas are smaller and have a more rounded shape, which only adds to their cuteness factor. One of the things that makes alpacas so special is their wool. It's incredibly soft and warm and comes in a bunch of natural colors like white, cream, brown and black. Plus, alpaca wool is hypoallergenic, which means it's a great choice for folks with a sensitive skin. You can use alpaca wool to make all sorts of cozy things like sweaters, hats and blankets. Alpacas are incredibly social animals. They are usually kept in the herds, which can range from just a few animals to hundreds. They are also really curious and playful, especially when they are young. So if you ever get the chance to hang out with a group of alpacas, prepare to be entertained. And let's not forget about their therapeutic benefits. Because of their calming presence, alpacas are often used as a therapy animals, which I can really agree. I had very calming and happy, nice experience with them. People says that people who spend time with alpacas are more relaxed. Honestly, it's hard to be stressed out when you are surrounded by a bunch of soft, fuzzy creatures. All in all, alpacas are pretty amazing creatures. They are cute, cuddly, versatile, and even therapeutic. If you ever get a chance to meet an alpaca in person, don't pass it up. They are sure to steal your heart. I'm not sure how is it by other farms, but we were told that it is better to walk with the male alpacas. So these alpacas are just males to walk with. I would just say, he meant something like that the female alpacas have their own pride. So, to walk with the people around, it's not their thing. Alpacas are generally also very trainable and usually respond to reward, most commonly in the food form. You should know that they don't like to be pet on head or neck, so yeah. If you are asking if alpacas are spitting, the answer is yes, but not all alpacas spit, but all are capable of doing so. We were told that if they are pissed off or maybe scared or in really, a bad situation for them, they can spit, but it's not very common for them. We were also told that there are 2 spots on the trail with the signs where we can let the alpaca eat grass. So that's what we are doing right here. They were all the time hungry. I think they would eat there the whole day. And especially this white one, he was getting so much. That was a very cool experience, guys. We loved it. What's this?
Thanks.
We loved it. It was about, I think, 5 kilometers. We did the bigger tour. The alpacas were pretty lazy and slow, so we took, but we were pretty quick actually. We didn't take even 2 hours, something less than 2 hours. And yeah, I hope we can do it sometime, again. They were very calm and very nice and so cute. So yeah, now we are going to grab something to eat and enjoy a nice sunny Sunday. And right here I will thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, I will see you next time. Bye bye.